Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share remote job opportunities every week, especially ones that are low stress, flexible, and don't involve being on the phone or sitting through nonstop Zoom meetings. Today, I'm sharing 5 quiet work from home jobs that are great if you like working at night, prefer a calm environment, or just want something where you can focus without a lot of noise or interruptions. So, if you're a night owl, a parent juggling other responsibilities, or someone who just enjoys working in a hoodie with music playing in the background, this video is for you. Let's jump in. Alright, first on the list is Mod Squad. This company regularly hires remote chat moderators, and it's a solid option if you're looking for fully online work that doesn't involve calls. In this role, you're usually responding to messages, answering basic support questions, or helping keep online communities safe and respectful. Most of the work is text based and happens on platforms like chat tools, forums, or community spaces. There are no phone calls, and communication is typically written. They often have projects that need coverage in the evenings, overnight, or on weekends, which makes this a good fit if you're working around another schedule. You don't need a degree, but they look for people who are comfortable typing, communicating clearly, and staying calm in online environments. Once accepted, you may also be eligible for additional projects over time. You can apply directly on their website with your resume and a short explanation of why you'd be a good fit. Next on the list is Welocalize, and this one is great if you enjoy working independently. They hire English content raters to review things like search results and ads. You're not creating content, you're simply evaluating it based on guidelines they provide. This role is completely solo with no calls and no live meetings. You log in, complete tasks, and log out on your own schedule. Most positions are project based, which gives you flexibility to work early in the morning, late at night, or whenever it fits your routine. They're typically looking for people who are fluent in English and familiar with US culture. You'll need a computer and reliable internet, and they provide training materials so you know exactly what's expected. If you're detail-oriented and like quiet, focused work, this is a good option. You can find these roles by searching for English content rater positions directly on their site. All right, moving on to number 3. Wayfair sometimes opens remote customer support roles that are chat or email based only. These are more traditional positions, but still quiet since they don't require phone calls. You'll be helping customers with things like order questions, returns, or general support, all through written communication. Schedules are often structured, and they may offer evening or weekend shifts depending on availability. Some positions include benefits and may provide equipment. They usually ask for prior customer service experience and expect a comfortable typing speed. These non-phone roles aren't always posted, so it's a good idea to check their careers page regularly and filter for remote positions that mention chat or email support. Job number 4 is Appen, which is a good fit if you like flexible, task-based work. Appen offers a variety of projects such as data labeling, transcription, image tagging, and short evaluations. Most of the tasks are quiet, computer-based, and don't involve live communication. You can choose which projects you want to work on, and many can be done at night or whenever you have free time. Experience and degrees are usually not required, and tasks vary in length and complexity. To get started, you'll create a profile in their contributor portal. After that, you may receive invitations to projects you qualify for. Availability changes often, so it's worth checking back periodically. And last but not least, we've got Scribie. Scribie is a transcription platform where you listen to short audio clips and type what you hear. This is a quiet role you can do at your own pace whenever it works for you. Most files are short and you're free to work as much or as little as you want. There are no calls, no meetings, and no fixed schedule. You'll need good grammar, attention to detail, and a decent typing speed. There's a short qualification test to get started, but once you pass, you can begin selecting available files right away. All right, that wraps up today's list. These are all solid options if you're looking for quiet, remote work that doesn't involve calls, meetings, or a high-pressure environment. Whether you're interested in something part-time, full-time, or just flexible work you can do at night, I hope one of these stood out to you. If you want to explore any of these roles, I recommend visiting the company's official website and reviewing the current listings directly, since availability and requirements can change. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. I share new quiet and flexible remote job ideas regularly that are designed to fit real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.